Often when we have a list of items typed on a page in OneNote, we want to create tags. That is, we want to create something that's more interactive than perhaps bullets. You can see here I have 3 paragraphs with a tick bullet in front of each. I'm going to get rid of the bullets by clicking the bullets button and turning the bullets off. And instead what I'd like to do is apply a tag. Now these are the tags here, and when I hit the drop down I can see there's actually 5 different types of tags. The most interactive of all the 5 is the to do tag. When I click this option, I acquire a little box in front of each option. And why I say it's interactive is that people can come along and actually tick when these items are complete. They can tick and untick the tag option, whereas the bullet is very static and remains always ticked. Now, you can also turn off the tag just by clicking this button again. That ticks it, that turns it off, that turns it on. It rotates, ticks it, turns it off, turns it on. The other option is a shortcut key. Control 1 is how you rotate between turning the tag on, ticking the tag, and turning the tag off. Now the other thing you can do is you can mix your tags. So I may want them to tick off these various items, but I need to mark this one maybe particularly as important. In which case, if I hit the drop down, I can see there's an important option as well as question, remember for later, and a definition tag. These are also able to be applied with Control 1, Control 2, Control 3, Control 4, and Control 5. So if I want to mark this as important, I'm going to go Control 2. If I want to mark this one as a question, I'll go Control 3. I might also make it important and a question, so I might go Control 3 here as well. So what you can do, the point being, you can have more than one tag applied to a paragraph. If I was to press Control 3 again, I'll actually turn off the question mark. You can also create your own tags if the ones that are supplied are not quite adapt. So I'm going to hit the drop down here and I'm going to create a new tag, and I want to call this tag critical. So I'm going to type a name for this new tag here in this pane. Once I give it a name, I can then select from a number of featured options here. I could choose a light bulb or a comment box, but I actually want to choose something more critical looking. So I'm going to go to all icons. When I go to all icons, there's a little exclamation mark and a person here. So I'm going to make this my critical tag, and I'm going to click Create. The tag has been successfully created as it indicates down here. So if I close this Create a Tag task pane and I mark this particular, click on this particular option here, I can now see in my drop down I have critical. If I click on critical, I've applied it. If I click on it again, I remove it. And if I press Control 6, I also apply it, and Control 6 also removes it because it's the 6th item in the list. If I wish to delete this tag altogether, then that's this option here. Delete custom tag, choose critical, and yes, I want to delete this custom tag. So you can use the 5 that you're given, or you can create your own, and you can even delete it. But tags are really great as an interactive way of indicating things that need to be done.